Hi, yes, Jill and Kathy here with Plant Life Journey Retreats, making 2 festive holiday candy bars. These are shaped like little Christmas trees. They are super cute and delicious. You might even have everything you need right now to make them at home. So you're going to lay down some parchment paper and fold them into a triangle shape. You want to have 12 dates divided in half. So I had 6 and Kathy had 6. And lay them down flat. And then you'll fold the parchment over the dates and take a little glass bottom cup or, something to pound the dates down a little bit, but watch those fingers. Wow, we were having so much fun doing this project, and we were kind of racing, and she made her Christmas tree with a little tree stump, and I made mine just into a triangle shape. It was so much fun. This would be a great project to do with kids. It doesn't have to be a tree shape. You can do any different type of shape with this same idea. Next comes the peanut butter, or in this case we're using almond butter. You just want to spread that over your tree or whatever shape. Now comes the non-dairy melted chocolate. Whatever little chocolate chips you buy, just put them in the microwave in a glass measuring cup like this and go for 30 seconds at a time, and then stir until the chips are melted and pourable. And now we add the fun little toppings. Pistachios, crushed pistachios work really well because of the green color in them, but you can use different nuts if you'd like. And then we use these wonderful, juicy, sweet pomegranate seeds. But if you don't have the pomegranate, maybe what about little bits of raspberry or a little tiny diced strawberry? You could try that. Then we had some flaked coconut that we were using. We had a little flaky salt. And what the best thing really was the orange zest. So really try to have some orange zest because that was delicious. They are so easy to make. And so here they are going into the freezer. And now here they are coming out of the freezer, ready to eat. And look how, oh my goodness, they just bend. And you probably want to let them unfreeze for about 10 minutes before you might break them up and eat them. But don't you just want to have these in your freezer right now? I want to have these in my freezer at all times. So delicious and so easy. Another idea would be to stir in a little mint extract into the chocolate layer, or maybe a little almond extract or orange extract. The sky's the limit with how creative you can be with this idea. So I hope you have your own thoughts that you will go ahead and make this holiday season, or even in the New Year's, maybe in the shape of your initial or something fun with your kids. Happy holidays.